Here's some food nomenclature trivia. Subscribe. What term denotes a dish served before the main course? Is it A, entree, B, side dish, C, dessert, or D, appetizer? The correct answer is D, appetizer. What type of cuisine is characterized by sushi and sashimi? Is it A, Japanese, B, Thai, C, Chinese, or D, Italian? The correct answer is A, Japanese. What Italian word describes a cheese-filled pasta? Is it A, ravioli, B, tortellini, C, fusilli, or D, penne? The correct answer is A, ravioli. What food item is commonly referred to as a biscuit in the UK? Is it A, cracker, bookie, C, scone, or D, muffin? The correct answer is C, scone. What cooking term describes food cooked in a small amount of oil? Is it A, sauté, B, steam, fry, or D, poach? The correct answer is A, sauté. What is the main ingredient in traditional pesto? Is it A, parsley, B, cilantro, C, spinach, or D, basil? The correct answer is D, basil. What type of fruit is a Granny Smith? Is it A, pear, B, orange, C, banana, or D, apple? The correct answer is D, apple. What spice is known for its distinct orange color? Is it A, cilantro, B, ginger, turmeric, or D, paprika? The correct answer is C, turmeric. What term describes a dish cooked slowly in a covered pot? Is it A, baking, steaming, C, braising, or D, grilling? The correct answer is C, braising. What type of pasta is shaped like small rice grains? Is it A, penne, B, orzo, C, farfalle, or D, fusilli? The correct answer is B, orzo. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.